Hello students, I am Jaspreet Kaur from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. I hope you all are fine at home. Students, today we will discuss chapter 4 Agriculture. First of all, we will discuss that what is agriculture. The word agriculture is derived from Latin word ager or agri meaning soil and culture meaning cultivation. The transformation from a plant to a finished product requires three types of economic activities that are primary, secondary, and tertiary. Now we will discuss primary activities. Primary activities include all those activities connected with extraction and production of natural resources, for example, agriculture, gathering, etc. Next is secondary sector. Secondary activities are those activities which are concerned with processing of resources, for example, manufacturing, mining, etc. Now we will discuss tertiary activities. Tertiary activities are those activities which support to primary and secondary activities through their services, for example, transport, trade, banking, insurance, etc. Agriculture is a primary activity which covers the two-thirds of India's population. An arable land is a land on which crops are grown. Now, the favorable climatic conditions for agriculture are temperature, rainfall, humidity, whereas the type of soil needed for agriculture is black soil, red soil, alluvial soil, etc. Now our next topic is farm system. In a farm system, there are three subtopics: inputs, outputs, and processes. In inputs are what we are giving to earth like labor, capital, seeds, fertilizers, etc. Whereas outputs are what we are taking out of earth like wheat, potato, barley, etc. And the processes used in these two processes like inputs and outputs are plowing, sowing, spraying, etc. Our next topic is types of farming. The two main types of farming are subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming is practiced to meet the needs of a farmer's family. Subsistence farming is again divided into intensive and primitive. In intensive subsistence agriculture, simple tools and huge labor are used by a farmer to cultivate a small plot of land, whereas primitive subsistence agriculture is divided into shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. In shifting cultivation, a plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with soil and crops are grown. It is also called slash and burn agriculture. Nomadic herding refers to the practice in which herdsmen move from place to place with their animals for fodder and water. Animals usually reared are the yak, sheep, camel, and goats. Our next topic is commercial farming. In commercial farming, crops are grown for commercial purpose. Commercial farming is divided into mixed farming, commercial grain farming, and plantations. Mixed farming is a type of commercial farming where land is used for growing food and fodder, crops, and rearing livestock. In commercial grain farming, crops are like wheat and maize are grown for commercial purpose. In plantations, it is a type of commercial farming where only a single crop like tea, coffee, cotton is grown. Now we will discuss major crops. The major food crops are rice, wheat, millets, maize, etc. First of all, we will discuss about rice. Rice is the major food crop of the world. It is the staple diet in tropical and subtropical parts. Its cultivation needs high temperature, humidity, and rainfall. China and India are the largest producers of rice in the world. Next is wheat. Wheat thrives best in well-drained loamy soil. In addition, it needs moderate temperature and rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at harvesting. Next is millets. Millets are coarse grains. Jowar, bajra and ragi are major millets grown in India. Maize is the next crop. It requires moderate temperature, rainfall, good sunshine and well-drained fertile soil. Now we will study about the fiber crops that are cotton and jute. Cotton grows best on black and alluvial soil. It needs high temperature, light rainfall and bright sunshine. Whereas jute is called the golden fiber, is grown in tropical areas. India and Bangladesh are leading producers. Next are our beverages crops, which are coffee and tea. Coffee grows well on hill slopes. Brazil is the leading producer. Tea is a beverage crop grown on plantations. It needs well-drained loamy soils and gentle slopes. Next topic is agriculture development. Agriculture development refers to the efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population in India as well as in USA. Children, I hope you understood the chapter. Stay home, stay safe.